Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center. It's end of the day and it's time for the team to get adjusted. So here I am with Desiree. Hey. And anything I need to know about Desiree, or is this just a tune-up adjustment?
No,
Just a tune-up adjustment. So go ahead and scoot down a little bit. Very good. I'm palpating. Right there needs to be adjusted. Right there needs to be adjusted. How do I know? Because the segment is dipped in and it's not supposed to. Your left side needs to be adjusted. So let's proceed. Take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. Boom. Let's go over here. I missed it. In. Beautiful. This side up. Did that just squeak?
Mm-hmm.
What the heck? Cool. Push this part into my finger. Very nice. Dang it! Face me this way. Dang, I'm good. I'm good. Right there. That one went with me just distracting the joint. Boom. And another occiput move. I wish I could get that adjustment, but I am darn biased. Thanks for watching. Here's another full spine adjustment on my girls. Take care. Bye-bye.